Welcome to week 3 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop. In today's practice, we'll be learning parting wild horse's mane. Starting as we always do with feet together, right hand in a fist, left hand on top, left thumb over the right fist, and bowing to begin. Starting in brush knee to the right, so standing in bow stance, right hand over the right knee, left hand forwards. Stepping the right heel in, hands shoulder height. Holding the ball as you bring the left heel in, right hand on top, left hand below. Step the left heel out, pushing the right hand down as you present the left palm up, coming into bow stance, parting wild horse's mane. Turning on the left toe, windscreen wiper the hands across, left hand on top, right hand below. Step the right heel out, push the left palm down, bring the right hand up. We'll practice the same again. This time, we're starting with brush knee on the left hand side. So, standing in bow stance, left palm over left knee, right hand pushing forwards. Turning on the left toe, hands chest height, bring the right heel in, holding the ball, left hand on top, right hand below. Step the right heel out, bending at the knees as you push the left hand down, right palm up. Turning on the right foot, step the left heel in, holding the ball, right hand on top, left hand below. Bending at the knees, push the right palm down, left hand up. Okay, we're going to practice now with me facing away from you. So starting with brush knee to the right. So bow stance, right hand over right knee, left palm facing forwards. Bring the right heel in, holding the ball, left hand on top, left hand below, right hand on top, left heel into the right foot. Step the left heel out, coming into bow stance, turning on the right toe, push the right hand down as you bring the left hand up. Windscreen wiper the hands across as you step the left heel in, holding the ball, left hand on top, right hand below, step the right heel in, step the right heel out, coming into bow stance as you push the left hand down, right palm comes up, turning on the left foot, parting wild horse's mane. Practice the same, this time starting from brush knee on the left hand side. So coming into bow stance, left hand over left knee, right hand forwards. Okay, so bringing the hands up to chest height as you step the left foot in, holding the ball, right hand below, left hand on top. Step the right heel out, coming into bow stance. As you present the right hand forward, you push the left hand down, turning on that left foot. Windscreen wiper the hands across, step the left foot in, right hand on top, left hand below. Step the left heel out, coming into bow stance. As you present the left hand forwards, push the right hand down, turning on this right foot. Thank you for joining me today in week 3 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop.